Hello, parents and students. Welcome to Business Management 1. I'm Patricia Richardson, and I'll be teaching your student Business Management 1 during first semester. Please bear with me while I share my screen with you to give you some important information. As stated, I'm Patricia Richardson. I can be reached at the school 429-2800. My email address is listed. Please take note of the tutoring hours during virtual learning from 3 to 3:30. And once we return to school, my tutoring hours will be 3:45 to 4:15. Both will be Tuesdays through Thursdays. Please make sure you call or email me to schedule an appointment. Business Management 1 has 3 essential standards. Essential Standard 1 is understand planning and organizing as a function of management. Essential Standard 1 has 6 objectives. We will cover those 6 objectives during first and second quarter. Essential Standard 2 is understand the staffing and directing role of management. Essential Standard 2 has 4 objectives. We will cover those objectives during second and third quarter. And Essential Standard 3, understand the relationship between customer service and business management, has 8 objectives, and we will cover those 8 objectives during third and fourth quarter. Now, Business Management 1, we will basically take a deep dive into the 5 functions of management, which are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. We'll also learn the difference between business management and customer service. We will also deep dive into why customer service can make or break a business. This course does have a textbook. It's Business Management 13th edition. Students will not have access to this because there's not a digital copy. So we will use information given to us by MBA Research to complete our assignments and turn them in. Our remote learning platforms will be Canvas and Google Classroom. We will continue to use Google Meet to have our actual live meetings for class Monday through Friday. Every student in business management will be required to complete a business plan for their end of course project. The requirements will be given to your students at the beginning of second quarter, and then we'll have a question and answer session as a class prior to beginning the project. This project is very important for students to complete because it will be worth 3 test grades, and tests are 40% of your students. So we want to make sure that the students have plenty of time. They have from the beginning of second quarter until the middle of fourth quarter to complete their business plans and get them turned in. So I stress that as soon as you get your requirements, you start working on your business plan. For remote learning, your supplies will be a laptop or desktop computer, internet access, headphones or earbuds, a 1.5 to 2 inch 3-ring binder, 1 set of tab dividers, loose leaf paper, writing utensils, highlighter, basic calculator, and a flash drive, which is optional. Once we return to class, your supply list will be, you'll still need that binder, the tab dividers, the loose leaf paper, no spiral notebooks, please, a composition book, writing utensils, earbuds, not headphones, a pencil pouch with holes in it that can be fastened into your binder, and of course that flash drive, which is optional. Don't worry about the classroom supply list as of right now until we get a definitive date of when we'll be returning to class. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me at patriciarich@ccs.k12.nc.us. I am looking forward to a productive and successful and exciting semester. I'll see you soon.